Hello mga kamatiniks, this is Teacher Yang giving you math tips. Our tip number 4 is the factorial of a number. Say, we have 4 factorial. 4 factorial means you are multiplying the number 4 to all positive numbers less than the number 4. Say for example, 4 factorial is equal to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 4 times 3 is 12, times 2 is 24, times 1 is 24. So 4 factorial is equal to 24. Same as true with 5 factorial. We multiply 5 to all positive numbers less than 5. So 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 5 times 4, 20 times 3, 60 times 2, 120 times 1, 120. So 5 factorial is equal to 120. For 6 factorial, we have 6 down to 1. 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And the result is 120 times 6 is equal to 720. Now, it's your turn for the 10 factorial. Let's make math madali.